What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with Little Bit Everything Home Services, coming to you with another video. Today, I am at a client's house and I'm installing a ceiling fan. So I figured I would drop this quick tip while I'm doing this installation. Whenever you're doing a ceiling fan installation and you have two switches on the wall, typically when you have two switches, one can be for the light and one can be for the fan. So how do you know the difference? You have to find out the difference. Well, I mean, you will know when you turn the light on itself, but then once you take down the original light and you see if there's another wire there, then check to see if it's active. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, family, as you can see, this light switch is right here. Typically, you want to make sure for convenience purposes that the first light you get to is the light. First switch that you get to, because when you walk into your room, typically you want to reach for the first switch to make sure the light comes on. So normally that'll be the case. It's not always the case. And then the other one would be for, if you have a ceiling fan, for the fan. So how would you test that? Okay, so you will need to be able to you need to have some form of voltage checker, whether it's a voltmeter or what you call this dumb stick, was what is called by some people the common name of it, but it's just a voltage checker is what it is. So I'll show you how you do that. I'm going to turn this first switch on. Now I know that that's the light because I had already turned it on when I walked into the room. And as you can see, I have the light hanging here where you can see the wires. I'm going to turn on my meter here, and there you go. That first switch right there is connected to the red. Now I checked the other one, nothing. All right, so let's go back to the switch. Turn the first one off, turn the second one on. There you go. Nothing there. Voltage there. So that means that the red wire is for the light switch and the black one is for the fan. At least that's what I'm going to make it. So that makes the most sense and it's the most practical. All right, family. Like I said, I'm not gonna do a whole entire video on the ceiling fan installation because I've done those before. So you can always check out those videos if you want to see the whole entire process. I'll be installing the Harbor Breeze today. All right, family, I want to thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.